Are you ready to take the guesswork out of property renovations and maximize your profits? Introducing the Rehab Valuator Lite software, the tool that will revolutionize the way you approach rehab deals on residential and commercial properties. With the Rehab Valuator Lite software, you can estimate repairs in just 15 minutes, including closing and holding costs. It helps you stay within budget, maximize rehab profits, and easily generate detailed presentations and rehab budgets with projected profits that can be presented to buyers and lenders. Whether you're a beginning, intermediate, or experienced investor, this software is designed for you. It's perfect for those who need a complete analysis, eliminating the need for guesswork and allowing you to make informed decisions. Say goodbye to the headaches of managing contractors and calculating rehab costs. Download the Rehab Valuator Lite software today and gain instant access to a powerful cloud-based tool, detailed video tutorials, and real-life investing case studies. Don't waste another moment. Put an end to overwhelming number crunching and start making more money in real estate investing.